Hey guys! Today I'm going to teach you how to make curved text on Word, okay? It's really simple. All you have to do is simply go into Insert, then Body of Text, and then click any one of these. I'm going to click this one because it's the easiest to edit. And then here we're going to write whatever you want. For example, I don't know, example, like so. And then what we have to do to delete this little box over here, I imagine you don't want, is going to format shape, then on fill, no fill, and on line, no line, okay? After doing that, as you can see, the little box over here disappears. And to make this curl, all you have to do is mark it all, highlight it all, then go into format, then effect text, and then transform, and here click the one you want. For example, this one, as you can see, it makes our text curl, and that's what we wanted. Thank you guys for watching today's tutorial. If you have any questions, please leave them on the comment section down below, and if not, I will see you next time. See ya!